Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Leetcode Challenge Week 4 problem. Day 24. Find the difference. Now let's have a look at the problem statement. Let's see what it says. Given two strings S and T which consist of lowercase letters only. Okay. String T is generated by random shuffling string S and then add one more letter at the random position. Okay. Find the letter that was added in T. Okay. This is an easy one. Now let's have a look at the example. Let's see what it says. We have two input strings here, S and T. S is ABCD and T is ABCDE. So the extra letter here is E. We can clearly see that, right? So we have to return E as an output. Let's see what the explanation reads here. E is the letter that was added. Okay, let's look at one more example here. Let's say for example S is Hell, H-E-L-L and T is H-E-L-L-O. In that case, we will return O as an output here. Why? Because O is the letter that was additionally added. Okay. Okay, so there can be multiple approach to this problem. Let's look at an easier one here. Say I'll convert T into a list first. After that, I'll run a loop over S and I'll remove every element from T that is present in S. Once we are done with that, we'll have only one element remaining in T. Right, so we'll return the first element of T. That will be our extra element that was added. So let's quickly dive into the code. Now let's run a loop over S. And now let's remove every element that is present in S and T. At last, let's return the T of 0 as it will be the only element remaining. That's it, we are done. Now let's try running the code. Now let's try submitting it. And it's done. I would like to congratulate you on coming this far. It's day 24. You're doing great. You can join my Discord server and Telegram channel for regular updates. You can find the code at my GitHub repository. Link is available in the description box below. If you wish to connect with me on other social platforms, the link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.